Hi, all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, today, what we'll do is we will do a little bit of the lesson reading. This is for sixth standard ICSE syllabus. We are following the curriculum of Bishop Cotton Boys School. But anyone who has the Kannada as advanced, the second language, can follow this video. All right. Now, this is chapter Edegundada Dhiraru. What do you mean by Edegundada Dhiraru? Nothing but someone who is not scared, yeah, person. Yeah. And this is written by M.N. Sundara Raja. It is not Sundar Raj. It is Sundara Raja. Okay. Pata Pravesha. Let's look at the introduction. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಜೀವನ ಬೆಲೆ ಬಾಳುವಂತಹದು. Means every human life is very precious. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಅಪಾಯ, ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ಬರುವುದು ಸಹಜ. And it's obvious in anyone's life, right? There will be some kind of danger, there will be some kind of misery, sorrow, difficulties which we have to encounter. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯಗೆಡದೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And we shouldn't lose hope, and we should think how to come out of the situation. ಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು means how to, yeah, the same. How do we come out of the situation? We need to think of that. ಜಾಣ್ಮೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿ ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಹೊರಬರಬೇಕು. We need to show our intelligence, use our intelligence, and come out of the tough situation. ಅದುವೇ ಜೀವನ. That is what life means. ಬಸ್ ಅಪಘಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಧಾ ಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಎಂಬ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಾಲು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಳು. There was a girl by name Sudha Chandran who lost her leg in a bus accident. ಧೈರ್ಯಗೆಡದೆ ಕೃತಕ ಕಾಲು ಹಾಕಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಳು. And she didn't lose hope. She got herself a artificial leg. ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. She danced. ಸಾಹಸ ಮೆರೆದಳು means she showed great valor. ಅವಳ ಮಯೂರಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿತು. Means it's a form of, maybe in Bharatanatyam or Kuchipudi, there's a form of Mayuri dance which got her a lot of popularity, and she got a lot of respect because of that. ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಅವಳು ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದರೆ, so what if she would have just sat at home saying that I don't have legs? ಅವಳ ಬದುಕು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೊರೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Her life would have become her life would have become a disaster kind of thing, right? Or it would have been, she would have been kind of not that successful or not that happy kind of thing. Yeah. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತಹ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ಬಂದರೂ ಎದೆಗುಂದದೆ ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಬೇಕು. I just was to say that in whatever situation comes to you, right, in life, you shouldn't dishearten yourself, you shouldn't lose hope, and you should face it and move ahead. ಅಂತಹ ಎದೆಗುಂದದ ಧೀರರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Now let's talk about such people who showed a lot of courage in their life. Who was this first guy? Julio Iglesias. What is this guy doing? Sitting on a wheelchair and playing guitar. Maybe he doesn't have leg. Let's read about him. ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ದೇಶದ ಬಾಲಕ ಜೂಲಿಯೋ Iglesias. Now this kid, right, is from Spain. What do you think of what comes to your mind when we say about Spain? What comes to your mind? Uh, that serial was there, no, Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao. That's actually shot in Spain, right? What is it called? Money Heist. Yeah. But this is not a money heist story. Wish they had money heist story in Canada. Then everyone would have gone to SBI Bank or Corporation Bank. No, nothing like that. ತನ್ನ 10ನೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಟಗಾರನಾಗುವ ಕನಸು ಕಂಡನು. Means when he was 10-year-old, right? He thought of, okay, I need to be a footballer. Why? Because football is very popular game in Spain. ದಿನದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕಳೆದನು. And most of the time he spent in a day he used to spend only on playing football. ತಾನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಆಸೆ. Guys, look at this. Rashtra means national, Antarrashtriya means international. So he had an aim to participate in national and international games. ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತರಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಹಂಬಲ, and he had that what do you mean by hambala? It's nothing but he had that urge to get good. Um, Kirti means, yeah, what do you mean by Kirti, man? Good name and fame for the country, good fame to the country. Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿಡ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸೇರಿದ, and he went and enrolled himself at Real Madrid club, very famous. Yeah. ನಿರಂತರ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ, and every day he practiced. ತನ್ನ 20ನೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಕೀಪರ್ ಎಂಬ ಖ್ಯಾತಿ ಪಡೆದ, and by the age of 20, right, he was recognized as a very big good goalkeeper. ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಸಾರಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದನು, and he started playing in nationals. ಆದರೆ 1963ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಜತೆ ಕಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಭೀಕರ ಅಪಘಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಅಪಘಾತ? Apagata means accident. Okay. In 1963, when he was going with his friends in a car, he met with a serious accident. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಸೇರಿದ, and he got admitted in hospital. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಏನೋ ನಡೆಯಿತು, and there were some treatment which happened there. ಆದರೆ ಸೊಂಟದ ಕೆಳಭಾಗ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿತು. Means his body below the waist, right? It lost his strength. Means he was unable to move the body below the waist. Papa. ಇದರಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಗೋಲ್ ಕೀಪರ್ನಾಗುವ ಅವನ ಕನಸು ನುಚ್ಚು ನೂರಾಯಿತು. And because of this, his dream of becoming world famous goalkeeper was went into pieces. ಜೂಲಿಯೋ ಗುಣಮುಖನಾಗಲು ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನಗಳು ಬೇಕಾದವು. Means Julio, for him to get cured, right? It took lot of many days. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವನು ದುಃಖ ಕೋಪ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿತು, and he was both angry and he was very sad because of this. ಮನನೊಂದನು, and he was going, ಅಯ್ಯೋ, what happened? ನೋವು ಮರೆಯಲು ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ತಾನೇ ಹಾಡತೊಡಗಿದನು. And he had to do something, right? He was bedridden. See, this guy was always on the field playing. Suddenly he was bedridden. And how will he come out of that? So He was just started writing some songs to come out of the pain. Even ಇಂಪಾದ he ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ಹಾಡತೊಡಗಿದನು and he wrote his song and he only started singing those songs. ಅವನ ಇಂಪಾದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ ದಾದಿಯೊಬ್ಬಳು ಗಿಟಾರೊಂದನ್ನು ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು and he had very good voice, right? So dadi means nurse. She gifted him a guitar. ಅವನೆಂದೂ ಅದುವರೆಗೆ ಗಿಟಾರನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ and before that he had never touched a guitar in life. ಆದರೂ ಗಿಟಾರನ್ನು ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಡತೊಡಗಿದನು. Still he was playing guitar and started singing. ಹೀಗೆ 18 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದನು. So like this he was in hospital for 18 months. In Bangalore, if someone goes to hospital in 18 days, that's all. Bill will come for 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh. 19 days, they'll take away your kidney and sell it off. Why? Because you have to settle the hospital charge. No, no, nothing like that will happen. Don't get scared. But yeah, 18 months is a very big time, right? Maybe he was in a government hospital. Yeah, in Europe and all, it's like government hospital. Hey, yeah. ಈಗ ಜೂಲಿಯೋ ಹಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಿಟಾರ್ ನುಡಿಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣತಿ ಪಡೆದನು and by this time he had become an expert in singing and playing the guitar. ಅದು ಅವನ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿತು. Now this actually boosted his confidence. ತಾನೇ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದ again he started writing songs. ಹಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಲ್ಲೀನನಾದ and he was like all lost in the song. ಜೀವನ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. My life is going on like this, something like that ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಹಾಡುಗಳ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಹೊರತಂದನು and he came out with this album. Maybe he sung about himself, his situation. I'm not sure on that. Yeah, but he got this album out. ಅದು ವಿಶ್ವಾದ್ಯಂತ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ 300 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ಗಳು ಮಾರಾಟವಾದವು. See man, during those days only, almost what 3 crore album were sold all across the globe. And during those days, it was only cassette, not even CD, not even pen drive, no Apple Store or Geo Music, Savan Music, nothing. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ ಅವನು ಈಗ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಕಲಾವಿದನಾಗಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಸಂಗೀತ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿಯಾದ. Then he became very popular and very superior kind of an artist and he was liked by many people around. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಫಲತೆಯಿಂದ ಎದೆಗುಂದಬಾರದು. Now because of failure, right? We should never give up in life, or we should never lose our heart, or we should never lose our confidence. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಾರಿ ತೆರೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. If fate closes one door, another route will be open for you. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ ಜೀವನವೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. And his life is a classic example for this. All right. I will stop here. I want you guys to go through this video before you come to class on Monday, and we will take it from there. And on Monday, we will continue with Malati Holla. All right. Okay, guys. I will see you on Monday.